Pork has one of the strangest reputations in nutrition. Some people treat it like low quality meat, others assume it's one of the best protein sources you can eat. So, where does it land when the assumption is measured? Welcome to the Nutragrammatron Lab. Today's subject is pork chops. Per 100 calories, pork chop has 11.13 grams of protein, 0 grams of carbohydrates, 6.02 grams of fat, 0 grams of fiber, and 26.85 milligrams of sodium. Micronutrients: thiamine, 30.3% of your daily value, selenium, 30.3% your daily value, niacin, 19.5%, vitamin B6, 13%, vitamin B12, 10.8%. The macrogram index is 18 out of 20. Protein density is very high, carbohydrate exposure is non-existent, and overall macro structure remains strong despite moderate fat levels. The microgram index is 17 out of 20. Pork chop delivers unusual strong B vitamin density, especially thiamine, along with selenium and niacin supporting the overall micronutrient score. The fibrogram index is 2 out of 20. No fiber present, so it receives the minimum floor score. The sodiogram index is 20 out of 20. Very low sodium and no processing exposure. The glycogram index is 20 out of 20. No added sugar, no refined carbohydrates, and essentially no glycemic impact. That leaves pork chop with a total Nutragrammatron score of 77. This places this subject in the functional tier classification. So why does pork chop still score relatively high despite having no fiber? Because structurally, it performs extremely well in protein density and micronutrient concentration. The thiamine content is especially important here. Pork is actually one of the richest natural food sources of vitamin B1, which plays a major role in carbohydrate metabolism and energy production. Selenium, niacin, B6, and B12 also contribute meaningfully micronutrient density while sodium stays naturally low. But the complete absence of fiber creates a structural limitation that prevents pork chop from climbing into upper strong territory. This is one of the clearest examples of how the system evaluates foods across multiple domains instead of reducing them down to meat good or meat bad. Measured, not assumed. This has been the Nutragrammatron Lab. Structured evaluation, transparent criteria, consistent analysis. Classification complete.